Today I want to show you our SWF Krantechnik app.
Makes it easy.
Hello, I'm Adrian. I'm responsible here in SWF for all electrotechnical related questions. Doesn't matter, is it a chain hoist or a wire rope hoist? And today I want to show you our SWF Krantechnik app. So what do we need for this Krantechnik app? We need the NovaMaster as the electronic overlap protection. We need the Bluetooth dongle with the connection cable, and these we connect here to the RS-232 connection. Now the NovaMaster is connected with the Bluetooth dongle, and what else we need is a mobile phone, smartphone or a tablet. And with these we can now read out the parameters from the NovaMaster. When we start the app is searching Bluetooth devices nearby. Here in this case crane A is visible. I click now on crane A and now I get different informations, events, conditions, usage and export parameters. Events, this is the fault history and also warning informations. That means in fault history I can read out what kind of faults came up during the usage. In warnings, here I get more details about the usage and of the brake and the contactors, for example. If I go back to conditions, in conditions, if the hoist is new, it looks like this. Everything is green, 100%. So that means the DWP of the hoist is by 100%. So it starts with 100. And depending on the usage of the hoist, it goes down. And if we reach round about 20%, then it changed to yellow. And if you reach around about 5%, it changed to red, and the color visualizes us that we have to start some service actions. For example, a general overhaul of the hoist, or maybe a brake must be changed, or also the contactors. So we have the information about the DWP of the hoist. Another information is about the DWP of the hoist brake and also of the contactors. We see how many actions are happened during the lifetime and also the ED classification. Usage. In the usage we can see how much load, how much mean load was handled with that hoist. We can see the current load at the hook. We also see how many overloads happens, how often over temperature or how often the E-stop was pressed during the lifetime of the hoist. Also visible the total start counter and the cycles of the hoist by itself. We have also the possibility to export the parameters. Export parameters, here we have the possibility to export parameters as XLSX or CSV, for example. If we choose now XLSX, you can send it via email. So I send it now to myself, and if you open this then in an Excel file, you can see all the parameters which are stored inside the NovaMaster. With these data together with the app by itself, you have all the parameters as a table or as a visualized information on the mobile phone. And pre-maintenance is much easier with the app against in the past, because you have the access from the floor level whenever you need it, and you have not to climb up to the crane and to check the data from the display by itself. There's also the setting information. In the settings you can set your own crane ID. If you want to rename the crane ID, you can type in 15 characters in the first row. Or in the hoist serial number row, you can also type in different information, hoist type, crane number, serial number. Here you have more possibilities. The app is password protected. The password can be changed to your needs, and it's also possible, if you have forgotten the password, to make a hard reset directly at the Bluetooth dongle by itself. The big benefit of the app is that the crane owner can download the parameters and can send these parameters to his crane partner or also to us. And then we can check according to the data what kind of service might be needed, and if everything according the given information is still safe, or if some actions has to be done.
Makes it easy.